Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Plan with Vivi. Today we are doing the week 1 rewind Plan with Me video. It is going to be a white space Plan with Me in this Recollections Planner. We are using the kit that didn't show up in my Erin Condren planner, and that is this New Year's Eve kit from Design Sticker Store. So here is the page here with the full boxes, the hard checklist, which probably will not be used, date covers, washi type stickers, the habit trackers, half boxes, some TV shows, meal planning, hydrate stickers, some work stickers, stackable sidebar, and of course this kit was from last year. I purchased it last year. I didn't use it last year because I was thinking I was going to use it for this year, and then I ended up finding something else. Anyway, but we are using it in this rewind plan with me. So stay tuned because we're going to get started, and this is going to be a rewind video but in hyper speed motion. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. rewind spread. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a nice white space. There's a lot of white space, as you can see, as I only use the full boxes in here. I only use the today headers. I did away with the heart checklist, the half boxes. I mean, it is down to the bare bones, kind of like what I used to do, except I did used to also use the to-dos and the littles stickers as well. But I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little different. It gives you a different perspective on a different planning style. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more rewind videos in this Recollections Planner. That's it for now. Take care of you. Happy planning and bye.